If you've ever felt let down by an AI chatbot, you ask it something and get back a response that's generic, unhelpful, or totally off target, you're not alone. The problem isn't the AI. It's that most of us are sending it vague garbage and wondering why we get vague garbage back. That's what this workshop is built to fix. Over 6 weekends, you'll learn the context sandwich, a simple but powerful technique that changes how you prompt AI to get answers that actually work for you. The whole thing costs $97. That's it. By the time you're done, you'll have a framework you can use every single time you sit down with a chatbot, whether it's for work, creative projects, or anything else. You don't need more prompts. If you're feeling stuck, it's tempting to think the answer is just one better prompt away, some magical formula that'll finally unlock what you're looking for. But that's a trap. Replacing one productivity hack with another just keeps you spinning in the same cycle. You hunt for the perfect prompt, copy it into the AI, get something generic back, and then spend hours editing it into shape. The tool isn't broken here. The approach is. What's really happening is that you're outsourcing your thinking to the prompt instead of fundamentally changing how you work with AI. Until you shift your mental model for using these tools, you'll keep chasing the next hack and wondering why you're always editing. There's a fundamental difference between two approaches to working with AI, and it comes down to where you place your effort. The old way treats prompting like a treasure hunt. Spend enough time searching for the perfect phrasing or the 100th template variation, and somehow the tool will deliver gold. In reality, that leads to endless editing cycles and output that feels generic because there's no strategic foundation underneath. The new way turns that thinking inside out. You don't optimize the prompt. You optimize what goes into the prompt. That means structured thinking about your situation before you ever hit send. You create a strategic context brief that captures your audience, your constraints, and what actually matters. Once the AI understands those realities, it can generate work that's built right the first time, not work that needs weeks of tweaking. The results speak for themselves. Assets that are ready to ship instead of assets that need to be reshaped. Here's the hard truth. You could spend weeks refining your prompts and still get mediocre results. The real problem isn't your prompts, it's how you're thinking about the problem in the first place. Your mental models, your assumptions about what's possible, the way you break down a challenge, that's what's holding you back. And the good news? We can fix that, not over months of gradual learning, but in one intensive weekend. That's what this workshop does. It rewires the thinking that feeds your prompts, so everything that comes after gets exponentially better. You've probably experienced this. Someone in a meeting says, "We need to improve our customer experience," or, "Let's get more efficient," and everyone nods, but nobody quite knows where to start. That's where the context sandwich method comes in. It's a structured way of thinking that takes those vague intentions and transforms them into actual work. The idea is simple but powerful. You sandwich your desired results between two critical layers. At the bottom, you establish results. What does success concretely look like? In the middle, you add context. What's the situation, the constraints, the backstory that frames this work? And at the top, you drive toward clarity, sharpening the vague idea into something a team can sink their teeth into. By the time you're done, you've got usable work, tasks and goals people can actually run with instead of spinning their wheels trying to interpret what was asked of them. Before you even open a tool, get crystal clear on what you're trying to accomplish. This is step 1, and it matters more than you might think. The reason is simple. AI is great at filling in the blanks, but it can't invent a coherent direction for you. If you hand it a vague or half-baked goal, it'll cheerfully produce vague or half-baked results. You'll waste time sifting through output that misses the point entirely. Instead, invest a few minutes up front defining exactly what you want to create, solve, or improve. Be specific. Then, once you've locked in that clarity, you can layer in context, the details, constraints, and preferences that matter. And only after that do you evaluate the results AI gives you, because now you actually know whether it's on track or off the rails. Most people skip the hard part. When they work with AI, they jump straight to the question without setting up the basics, and that's where 99% of prompts fall apart. There are actually 4 variables that make or break the quality of what you get back. Who your audience is, what constraints you're working under, what success actually looks like for you, and what form you need the output in. Audience shapes everything about tone and depth. Constraints are the reality check. your budget, timeline, technical limits, legal requirements. Success criteria tells the AI what you're measuring against, not just that you want something good. And desired output isn't just about the information. It's about the structure, the format, the way you'll actually use it. When you feed the AI these 4 things, you're not being pedantic. You're giving it the foundation it needs to give you something worth using. The real payoff of this framework is getting output you can actually ship. Not polished prompts you tweak endlessly, not back and forth arguments with the model about what you meant. Actual work you can use. When you stop getting generic answers and start feeding the model clarity and context, something changes. You get specificity back. You get work product. The goal isn't to have the perfect conversation. It's to walk away with something tangible you can integrate into what you're building. At the heart of this workshop is a deceptively simple tool, a one-page template called the Strategic Context Brief. This isn't decorative, it's the working asset you'll actually use to communicate with AI systems, both during and long after we're done here. What makes it different from a standard project brief is that it's reverse-engineered from how AI actually works. Each section, request intake, constraints, success criteria, output format, timeline, stakeholders, and data sources, directly addresses the friction points that turn projects into guessing games. The real power is that filling this out forces clarity. You can't stay vague when you're writing down your constraints, defining what success looks like, or specifying your output format. That discipline is what transforms a rambling email into something an AI can actually execute on. And that's something you'll come back to again and again. William Braddock isn't here to give you a list of prompts or techniques you could find anywhere online. The whole point of this workshop is right here in this distinction. You're not buying information, you're buying judgment. That's what 20+ years of making complicated things work, as an artist, designer, and educator across the globe, actually buys you. He's got the MFA, the perfect GPA, he's authored Mindset Mastery, and he's created 55 different relational design thinking frameworks. But here's what that really means. He's spent decades figuring out how to think through problems systematically. And that's what separates someone who can hand you a prompt from someone who can teach you how to think through your audience, your goals, and your constraints before you ever ask AI to produce an answer. That skill, that judgment, is what you're here to develop. These testimonials come from real people, a bridal shop owner, a health practitioner, a career coach, an herbalist. People working in completely different fields. And what's striking is how consistent the shift is across all of them. They're not just saying the workshop was helpful. They're describing a fundamental change, from copying what they think they should say, to confidently owning what they actually mean. YH stopped guessing at marketing language and started getting emails she could genuinely send. MS found her own voice coming back in the work, warm, careful, on brand. VK didn't just get better client materials. William taught her how to think about her own approach. And CS went from using generic templates to having planned write-ups and class notes that sound exactly like she teaches. That's not just better content. That's reclaiming authorship of your own work. One quick note. If this is useful, hitting like and subscribing genuinely helps, then I'll get right back to it. Let's be direct about who this is for and who it's not. If you're using AI every week but the results still feel like they could have come from anyone, and you've got real work you need to ship, whether that's running a business, building something creative, or learning on a deadline, then you're in the right place. This workshop teaches you a repeatable way of thinking, not a list of prompts to copy and paste. The payoff only works if you're tired of prompt hacks and ready to build actual process. That said, if you're hunting for a magic shortcut, or if you think AI should somehow read your mind without you providing context, or if you're not willing to question whether your current approach might need adjusting, this probably isn't your workshop. The real work happens when you accept that you might be wrong about how you're using AI today. That willingness to rethink is where the breakthrough lives. Let me show you the economics of inaction. Most teams I work with don't run these numbers, but they should. If you've got someone spending 5 hours a week fighting with suboptimal AI output, that's $13,000 a year in pure friction. Add in projects that ship late or get compromised because nobody's confident using these tools well, and you're looking at another $4,800 in direct impact. Then there's the silent tax. ChatGPT subscriptions nobody's really using, Claude accounts gathering dust. That's another $600 down. But the scariest line item? The compounding skill gap. While your team stays flat, your competitors are getting faster and sharper every quarter. That gap doesn't close on its own, it widens. Put it all together and doing nothing costs you 18 grand plus every single year. And that's just the math you can easily measure. The workshop is $97. That's the investment. And here's the thing. You don't need to wait months or years to see it pay off. One weekend where you don't have to scrap a deliverable and start over. One time you get it right the first pass instead of cycling through revisions, that alone covers the cost. The math isn't even close. You'll likely hit that break-even point in your very first client project after taking this workshop. One thing we've learned is that most people who invest in the Advanced AI Bootcamp wish they'd taken a prerequisite first. That's why we created the Context Sandwich Workshop at $97 as a true on-ramp. It covers the foundation and thinking you need to get the most out of advanced work. And here's the important part. If you take the workshop and decide to upgrade to the full bootcamp, every dollar of that $97 is credited toward the $1,997 tuition. So there's zero financial risk to starting where you actually need to start. You get the foundational concepts locked in, then you move into integration and orchestration at a level that actually sticks. It's built for everyone, whether you're testing the waters or ready to go all in. Let's talk about the practical side of joining. You've got until July 26th to enroll, but here's the thing. The founding price holds at $127 only through the end of June. After that, it jumps to $147, so if you're serious about it, sooner is better. The course itself runs over 6 weekends, Saturdays and Sundays at 10 a.m. Eastern, which is designed to fit around normal schedules. You get 12 live classes delivered on Zoom, and every single one is recorded and stays available forever. That means if you miss a session or want to go back and review something, it's there for you. On the technical side, we've kept the bar deliberately low. You don't need coding skills at all, and you don't need to pay for premium AI tools. Whatever you're already using, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, will work perfectly. All you need is a laptop, a browser, and free Zoom. We wanted to make sure that technical barriers weren't what kept people out of this conversation. Let's talk about what you're actually getting. When you add up all the components, the live classes, the community access, the lifetime recordings, the templates, the one-on-one audit, and the additional credits, the total stack value comes to $1,369. That's a substantial amount of structured learning, practical tools, and ongoing support. The core of the experience is 12 live classes over 6 weekends where you'll get real instruction and feedback. Beyond that, you've got 90 days in a private cohort community where you're learning alongside other people doing this work, plus lifetime access to everything we record, so you can revisit the material whenever you need it. You also get a strategic context brief template, an actual tool you can use immediately, and a workbook you'll keep forever. The one-on-one AI audit isn't just a bonus, it's a chance to get personalized feedback on your specific situation. And if for any reason the workshop doesn't stick the first time, you get back in free. That re-entry guarantee and the $97 bootcamp credit show we're confident in what we're teaching and invested in your success beyond just the initial 6 weeks. We stand behind this with a 100% ironclad guarantee. What that means is simple. I stay with you until the method actually works. You complete the workshop, and by the end, you should have a clear, measurable improvement in the results you're getting from AI. Not marginal gains, genuinely better output. If that hasn't happened, you're not out the money. You join the next live cohort at no cost and we keep going. The standard here is straightforward, and it reflects what we actually care about: competence, not commerce. We're not trying to maximize transaction value or move you through and move on. We're focused on whether you can actually use these techniques to get better work done. We've got 14 seats remaining in the June cohort, and they're going fast. If you commit in the next 72 hours, you'll get a free 20-minute one-on-one AI audit with William. That's a $200 value where we sit down and diagnose your hardest AI problem together. But here's the thing. We've only got 7 of those 10 audit slots left, so this bonus window is closing on 2 fronts. Once we hit capacity, enrollment shuts down entirely. The combination of limited seats and a shrinking bonus pool makes this a moment where speed genuinely matters. Here's the thing. AI is rewarding the people who make the decision to learn it right now. The ones who start early will have an unfair advantage over everyone who waits. That's why we've made this as easy as possible to get started. For just $97, you get your seat in the workshop plus a personalized AI audit that helps you see exactly where you stand and where to focus. Everything's secured through Stripe, so your payment is safe. You get lifetime access to all the recordings, which means you can learn at your own pace and come back to the material whenever you need a refresher. And if for any reason you want to re-enter, that's free too. There's no risk here, just opportunity. The question isn't whether you can afford to join. It's whether you can afford not to. Quick favor before you go. If this was useful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more deep dives like this, and share it with someone who'd find it helpful. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What stood out to you about Context Sandwich Workshop 1?